how to buy Navigate token. So this token came under the symbol of NVG8. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you'll find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by the token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. Now this token, it will be available on gate.io about 1 day from now. So as you can see, so how to buy this token, now go and log into your account on gate.io like that. I will show you how to do that. Now go back to this page on their X account and now copy the token sample from here or from any post, as you can see. So it will be like that. Now after you copy it, now go and log into your account on gate.io. In search, paste the token sample and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So as you can see here, you will be able to see this. So after 1 day, you will be able to buy this token. So after that countdown, it's ended. Now click on buy here and click on the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy NVG8. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account and click on buy NVG8. So this is how to buy NVG8 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.